Find each product. In the first example, we have 3 times negative 5. When we don't have any sign, it means this is multiplication between these two numbers. We have positive number because when we don't have any sign, it's always positive, and we have negative. Positive number times negative number. Positive times negative, or negative times positive, give me always negative answer. So first, when we have multiplication, one number is positive, one negative, or both negative, we have to decide the sign of our solution. So positive times negative give me negative. So here write negative sign, and now we have to multiply 3 times 5 only. Negative sign we copy. 3 times 5 is 15. Next example. Now we have negative 1.2 times 4. First number is negative and second is positive. When we don't have any sign, it means that this number is positive. Negative times positive give me negative. So we will assign negative sign, and now we have to multiply 1.2 times 4. So 1.2 times 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. And we have to now count how many digits we have after decimal point. 1. So we just count from the right to the left 1 digit. And decimal point will be between 4 and 8. So we copy negative sign, and 1.2 times 4 is 4.8. And the last example, in this example we have two negative numbers. So when we multiply two negative numbers, the answer is always positive. So we can write positive sign, and we have to multiply 3 times 2.4. Positive sign we don't have to write, so we have to multiply 2.4 times 3. It doesn't matter if we multiply 3 times 2.4 or 2.4 times 3, the answer is the same. So 3 times 4 is 12, so we have 2 and we add 1 to next column. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And now again we have to count how many digits we have after decimal point. We have 1. So we count 1 digit from the right to the left, and decimal point will be between 7 and 2. So like I said, positive sign we don't have to write, only solution 7.2.